Hey friends, who's hungry? Turtle soup is a popular dish still served in Louisiana. But since turtle meat can be kind of hard to find for the average home cook, we're making a mock version with ground beef. Cook 2 pounds of ground beef in a large stock pot over medium heat, breaking it up into smaller chunks until the meat is no longer pink. With a slotted spoon, remove the ground beef from the pot and set aside. Drain the grease and return the pot to the burner. Melt half a cup of butter with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Gradually whisk in half a cup of flour until smooth. Stirring constantly, cook the mixture for approximately 6 minutes until your roux is light brown, similar to the color of peanut butter. Add 1 medium diced onion, 2 stalks of chopped celery, and 1 large diced green bell pepper. Cook for 5 minutes until the vegetables are soft. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for an additional 30 seconds. Add 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 14.5-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 8 cups of beef broth, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, 2 bay leaves, and 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Bring the soup to a boil, then cover and reduce the heat to low. Cook for 1 hour, stirring every 15 minutes. Remove and discard the bay leaves, then add 3 chopped hard-boiled eggs, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, half a cup of dry sherry, 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, and the cooked ground beef. Stir to heat through. Serve the soup hot, garnished with additional chopped hard-boiled eggs if desired. Looking for more Southern recipes? Be sure to follow me.